Hello and welcome back to ComputerCraft. Today I want to look at if and then statements. So we'll do a fairly simple program. So let's do that. So we'll start with program start. Let's see why not. And we'll put that in. There we go. There's first line. Now let's put a couple of variables in. It's always a good idea just to put a few in. I don't really like to have less than two though. So we'll do it like that. And alright, we'll make this different. There's no point having them the same actually. And obviously it's a good way to name and assign at the same time. Rather than having local x and then assigning it later. It's obviously, and luckily you don't actually need to, don't need to define a type for it. So, so it's all good really. And what else? So yeah, what I could do is I'll just make it really, do something like this. Alright, so obviously that's going to just yeah, that should be okay I think. So I'll be able to just, I could capitalize it here, but it's not, I don't really like doing that. So we'll have it like that. And I suppose what I could do is I could make it, try to be as transparent as possible. And what this is going to do is obviously we're going to get x colon space and then 5 and then y colon space and then 0. So this is what it's like before anything actually happens. So after that we're going to do a comparison. Which one did I want to? Oh no, I wanted to do these the other way around actually. Okay, I'll do it like that. Yeah, because it depends what I mean. Because this figure is This is another thing that I'm going to be thinking about over the next few episodes. I think I like to put it 3 in. Yeah, I like to go 3 in. And then we can let's try this. Yeah. And now what we're going to do now we're going to do this. Yeah. Alright. Now, the thing about this is what's going to happen is obviously going to get 5 and we're going to get x is going to become 1 because obviously it's taking on the value of x plus 1. I always do want to do some more math stuff in here, but we'll see. We might do. See. I know I will do it because it's the beginning of the sentence. Okay. So we'll do that. Doesn't look too bad. I don't know if it works. We'll see. Let's see if it works. So there we go. So we've got the program start. We can see the initial the initial variables. X is currently at 0, Y is at 5. We move into the if loop. We check to see if y is 5. We confirm that to be true. Therefore, we print out 5 in capital letters, and we then, in the background, increase the value of x rather to 1, and then we do the print statement, which says program complete. X now is, and then we look to see what it is. We can see it takes it from the background, brings it to the foreground here, and produces 1. But of course, so obviously the point being that if we change the value of y here to 10, we can see that it never gets to the point where that if statement gets carried out. So 5 isn't never printed in capital letters, x never increases to 1, and it's just a different value. So there's that. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. Maybe I'll just leave it there actually, because I think that's fairly reasonable sort of demonstration of this. Obviously, obviously there's a lot more things you can do. We could think of ranges in order to increase x by different amounts depending on the value. We could obviously, in the past, if we just look through what I've been doing, we obviously done a lot of this stuff with the bundled output. We could obviously bring some of these details in, and of course with variable arguments, which we obviously done at runtime. We could change some of the numbers we put in there, and, get the user input array, and we could do plenty of other things. But I think that's going to, and then obviously we've got the some of the math functions there as well. You could do logarithm or something on it. But I think I will leave it there. So thanks for watching.